Hello and welcome to another JMZ video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Monero. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head on over to the Monero website, and you can see that the Monero downloads page is located at the bottom right. Or you can head over to the downloads page with the link in the description. So the first thing you need to do is select your operating system. I have the Windows 64-bit operating system, so we'll be installing this. So I'm going to put this on my desktop. Now if we just wait for this to download. So now the file has finished downloading, I'm going to extract that to my desktop. Once it has finished extracting, you're going to want to open up that folder. So move that over, there we are, and I'm going to run the Monero D file, which is the Monero node client. You're going to run that, and you're going to need to let it through your firewall. So now we've let that run, it is going to start syncing up with the blockchain, so we're going to let that sync up, and because I've already installed Monero, the blockchain will already be on my system, so we are now synced up to the network. The next step is to start the wallet client, so you need to run this, yeah, that's good. And you'll see that this prompt appears. So we're going to need to enter the name of our wallet, so I'm going to call this wallet test wallet. There we are, and I'm going to hit enter. Now it's going to prompt us to confirm we want to create that because it's not found one with that file name, so I'm going to put Y. And now we need to create a password for this wallet. So I'm going to create a text file in the same folder. Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. So I'm going to call that login.txt, and I'm going to open that up. Let's just drag that over. Okay, there we are. So I'm going to set the password as JMZ, as I said. Oh, whoops. And there we are. And save that. So if I type in JMZ here. Yep, and then it's going to prompt me again to confirm that I've entered the correct password. So if I just copy that and paste that in, then press enter, it should now prompt me for my language selection, which is of course English, so I'm going to enter 0, and then we'll see that it's starting to create our wallet. Now while it creates that, I'm just going to explain to you what the text above says. That's the mnemonic. This will allow you to recover your wallet if you do lose the file. This means that anyone can access your file. So I'm just going to paste in this here and save this and keep this in a rainy place. So if I just save that there, yep, close that. So the next step is to find the address of our wallet. So that's really simple. You just type in address and press enter. And then we can see that. So if I just copy that to my clipboard, yep, and then if I open up the folder with all my files in, and I'm going to put that into login.txt. So if I just shove that on the top, I'm going to need to send all my Monero funds to that address. So the next step is to get yourself some Monero. So I would recommend, if you've already got some Bitcoin, you can use a website called shapeshift.io, which is up there. And you can select change your Bitcoin into Monero. There it is. So there we are, Bitcoin to Monero. So the next step is to send some money to the wallet. So I've opened up another wallet with around 0.9 in it. So I'm going to type in transfer, followed by the number of mixing count, which is how anonymous it is, and the minimum is 3 now, followed by the wallet address I want to send money to. And I'm going to paste that in there, and then followed by the amount, which is going to be 0.9 here. So normally you would follow this by a payment ID if you wish to include one, and here we can see that it's going to prompt me for one, as to whether it's okay to send one without. So I'm going to type in Y, and it should let me go through, and there we are, it's telling me the fee of the transaction, and I'm going to enter Y. So the transaction has now been successfully sent. So I went ahead and restarted the Monero wallet client, and you can now see that the balance is 0.9, but that is not available for spending as we're still waiting for confirmations on the blockchain. So the balance is 0.9, whereas the unlocked balance is nothing. So we can see that the transaction has now been confirmed. So if we head on over to our wallet, we can see that the money has left this one and is now in this wallet that we created earlier. We type in balance. We can see that the balance is 0.9 and the unlocked balance, which is spendable, is 0.9. So because I've shown you in the text file the mnemonic, I can not continue to use this wallet as anyone could recover it. So if we see that's the mnemonic in the text file. So what we need to do is get rid of all the money from this wallet. There's a really quick way to do this and sweep all the funds. That's using a command called sweep_all. And if we just use help to look at the syntax of this command, we can see that sweep_all is followed by the mixin, which we have to put as 3 or higher, followed by the address. So if we just grab the address of the previous wallet, which I was using before, and send the funds back here, and paste this in, there we are. And if we wait one sec, if we just press enter, and it should prompt us whether we want to include a payment ID, and we've got to confirm that we don't want to, so type Y, and then it will tell us the fee for this transaction. So if we press Y again, and there we are, we have sent the transaction. And if we check balance, we should see a completely empty wallet. So I have restarted the wallet and waited a while, and we can now see that I have a unlocked balance of the amount which I sent to it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe to stay tuned to more useful tutorials like this one. Love you, Lily Daddy.